Listen, for my part, I continue to be very humbled by the outpouring of community support that we've received and all the folks who showed up today on our behalf. I think most folks in the community see this case certainly for what it is, but we are we're pleased to be on the road towards resolving this case and having finally engaged and started the process. Thank you.
The whole gravamen, the whole issue with regards to the case is that Doug Sloan is the attorney for the entire council. As such, he represents each one of the council members. And so he is considered by statute and by ethics to be Mr. Esparza's attorney. And so anything they said during the course of that meeting was covered by the attorney-client privilege.
If Judge Capitan does not agree that he should dismiss this case because of attorney-client privilege, where do you go from there? What's the defense beyond that?
Well, we either contemplate the issue of whether or not we're going to file an appeal, whether an appeal is available then, or whether we go to prelim and then appeal it after the prelim.
So basically the aim is for him to never actually be arraigned?
Yes. We were actually disappointed that the date was out as far as it is. Mr. Esparza is anxious to litigate this case and to get it to trial as quickly as possible.
Does a sitting council member, does it hurt his image with the public when he has to go through a criminal arraignment?
Anytime anybody is charged with a crime, it's certainly something that they think about, and it's something that is an image problem. But in this case, given the acrimony among the current council, I think a lot of people have an understanding what this is about. And so I don't know that it hurts his image. It's just sort of business as usual. Well, I really can't say anything other than, Mr. Esparza never intended to extort anything from Doug Sloan.
Does intention matter in this case?
Yes. That's the gravamen, that's the entire issue in the case, is whether he intended to prevent Mr. Sloan from doing an act.